Hi friends, it is fitness fluency. Our target is I can read high frequency words and spell the high frequency words. Let's get started. The, T-H-E spells the. Was, W-A-S spells was. To, T-O-O spells to. Out, O-U-T spells out. 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of, O-F spells of. Do, D-O spells do. Would, W-O-U-L-D spells would. Another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R spells another. 5 body toe touches. Make an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We, W-E spells we. What, W-H-A-T spells what. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R spells number. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E spells little. 5 knee touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, F-O-R spells four. Y, W-H-Y spells Y. Each, E-A-C-H spells each. Mrs., M-R-S period spells misses. 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They, T-H-E-Y spells they. 2, T-W-O spells two. Down, D-O-W-N spells down. His, H-I-S spells his. 5 body toe touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have, H-A-V-E spells have. Come, C-O-M-E spells come. Other, O-T-H-E-R spells other. Into, I-N-T-O spells into. 5 cross knee touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who, W-H-O spells who. Over, O-V-E-R spells over. Month, M-O-N-T-H spells month. Me, M-E spells me. 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, H-E-R-E spells here. Between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N spells between. 5 body toe touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, friends, 5 big breaths. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And the last one, make it your best one. Great job today, friends.